Here's how to clear Gmail storage by compressing files and deleting large emails. If your Gmail storage is almost full, you can't compress files that are already inside Gmail. But don't worry, there are a few easy ways to free up space and prevent it from filling up again. Let me show you how. The first method is using the Google One Storage Manager. Open your web browser and go to the Google One Storage Manager. Sign in with the same Google account you use for Gmail. Scroll down until you see the Gmail section. Click Review and Free Up. Here, you'll find emails with large attachments that are taking up the most storage. Review the list carefully. Select the emails you no longer need. Then, delete them. After that, open your Gmail trash or bin. Empty it to permanently free up your storage. If you skip this step, the deleted emails still count toward your Google storage. Now let's look at another easy method. Open Gmail. At the top, click the search bar. Type has: attachment larger: 10 megabytes. Then press enter. This shows emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes. For example, you might find old videos, presentations, or large PDF files you no longer need. Delete the unnecessary emails. Then empty the trash folder to reclaim the storage. Now let's talk about compressing files before sending emails. For example, suppose you're about to send a folder containing several PDF documents and photos. Instead of attaching every file individually, compress them into a zip file first. On Windows, right-click the folder. Select Send To. Then choose Compressed Zip Folder. On a Mac, right-click the folder. Select Compress. Now attach the zip file to your Gmail message instead. This helps organize multiple files into a single attachment and can reduce the overall file size, especially for documents and images. Keep in mind that zip compression doesn't reduce the storage used by emails you've already received. It's mainly helpful before sending new files. Those are the best ways to clear Gmail storage and avoid running out of space in the future. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tutorials.